Guess what, guys? We're going to go over how to make 10K months with digital products, no ads needed. That's right, free marketing. Stick around for this video. So how exactly do I make $300 to $900 a day without ads, without phone calls, and without any tech headaches? In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I built a real digital income from my phone as a complete beginner. And if you've been stuck researching options online, or overthinking how to start, stick around because I'm going to show you the simplest way to create consistent income online in 2025 that actually works. Hey, I'm Evan. I'm a dad of 3 in New Zealand. I started this online business in digital marketing back in May of 2024 when I was home full time, trying to figure out how to build something that didn't take away time from my 3 kids. Fast forward, and I'll make $300 to $900 days just by using simple digital products, all from my phone. No clients, no sales calls, no meetings, no paid advertising. And guess what? I actually started out with a brand new social media account. So I had 0 following. I wasn't some influencer or anything. No special tech skills. I didn't have any kind of coding or graphic design or, computer science stuff. Didn't know any of that. And I didn't have any previous experience in this at all. I'll show you the exact steps I use and what's working right now across social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and also emails as well. So you can actually get started doing this as well. Now, guys, at this point, if you're wanting just to check out how do you exactly do this and you just want a simple guide to have a quick look through today, that's completely fine, my friend. I appreciate your time. Click down below. There's the Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's going to show exactly what I do and how you can actually apply this to a done-for-you system so you don't have to spend weeks and months trying to create something yourself and wondering how you're going to promote it online. It's a very simple business, my friend. Check it out down below and reply to the email if you have any questions. All right, guys, let's just start where everything is king, basically. It's still Facebook. This is my personal opinion based on my professional experience, guys, because I actually use Facebook all the time. A lot of people are thinking Facebook's gone, that it's something that's going to, disappear. It's not going to help anymore for building an online business. And my God, completely wrong. I'm just telling you. Because everyone's chasing TikTok, quick videos. Those quick videos, guys, they disappear. They're yesterday's news. And also Reels as well. Guys, there's something very special about Facebook that a lot of people have forgotten in 2025. And I want to bring this to your attention. Facebook is still where the best conversations happen. Because conversations create connection. And guess what, guys? Connections, they actually create currency, a digital online income for you, because this is where people actually buy. The best part is, guys, you actually don't need one of those Facebook business pages. A lot of people think, oh, I've got a business, I've got to make a page. I'm not allowed to use a personal profile on Facebook. But guys, I'm here to tell you that actually profiles are better. And you don't need any paid ads to get started here, guys. You just use Facebook as a free social media platform to help promote your online business. So here's how you use it, guys. I'm just going to break it down for you, okay? I post value-based content. So sometimes it's written, sometimes it's a short video. I connect with like-minded people inside Facebook groups. Those are the following pages. Those are in the comments. Those are some suggested friends as well. And I add genuine friends, genuine connections who, perhaps have shown an interest in this kind of business that I do. So I'm not adding random cold leads. I'm not hiring some agency to find random names and scour the internet for them. Guys, that stuff just doesn't work anymore. And other times as well, I'm also doing stories as well, guys, because there's a really important thing I want to bring up for you. The cool thing is that you can actually have from your Facebook on mobile, is that you can actually share, you can make posts and share them to Instagram at the same time. 9 times out of 10, it does work. If you do a really long post, it'd probably tell you can't show it to Instagram. Just keep an eye out for that. You can share to both platforms. The same with stories. You can cross-post each one. You could do for example, a 7-second story. You can do one that's a little bit longer as well. Something just to capture attention from people that are following what you do online. Okay, and once they see your stories and your posts, guys, they actually start to trust you. They get to know, okay, who is this person? What are they talking about? What is this online business that they're doing? That looks really interesting. I want to get a bit more information. And usually at that point, guys, if I'm already connected with them and stuff, I'll let them accept a friend request because rule number 1, do not send a message if I haven't accepted a friend request. They're not interested in hearing from you, okay? If someone's accepted a friend request from me, they've seen my profile, they've seen my bio, which says exactly what I do in an online business. They've seen some of my content, so they know exactly what I do. So it's okay to send a message. Some people seem to think that we're not allowed to send messages nowadays. No, I do it all the time. And 9 times out of 10, they usually go pretty well because they actually ask me for more information about what I do once I reach out to them. They thank me for reaching out to them. Conversation, my friend, and community, that personal connection with people is actually starting to make a bit of a comeback as we get to the end of 2025. Messaging isn't dead, guys. You've just got to do it the right way and just be respectful about it. You wait for a friend request to be accepted. You maybe like and comment on some of their content genuinely. Don't just do it for the heck of it. And then you're often going to find that creates a better connection with people. So guys, if you've been thinking about starting, but you've just been putting it off because you've been researching and checking out the videos and the training that we've got here, click below to get started leveraging a done-for-you digital product, and it's for brand new people that just want to jump in and make a change in their lives. Now, guys, just linked into that a little bit, I just want to talk about Instagram, okay? Now, what I like to do is I cross-post my Facebook content to Instagram and Facebook at the same time, as I mentioned. I do it for stories as well, okay? The problem is, as I mentioned before, I mentioned you can do it from your phone. You actually can't do it from your computer unless you've got a business page, but I wouldn't recommend that. Here's why. Business pages do not have great organic reach anymore. We're talking about 2 or 3%. If you make a business page for your business and you just start putting out random posts and you think, I've got to keep it separate from a profile, it's not allowed to be connected, it's got to be this professional separate page. Guess what, guys? You're not going to get, any engagement. You're not going to get people reaching out to you, none of it. Facebook likes people engaging with people. Doesn't actually like pages as much unless they're doing paid advertising. We're coming near to the end of 2025. 2026 is just on the horizon. Me, I just started out as a burnt out, tired dad, working 10 to 11 hour days, wanting to take care of my kids, and I just wanted something different. I wanted to be able to provide a better life for my family. So I built an online business that actually fits around my family and not the other way around. So if you want to learn a bit more about how I did it, just drop ready in the comments below or just click below to just see the Freedom Formula Blueprint, because this is the one that I actually follow daily. And I use all the same strategies that I'm sharing with you today in the world of online business. Now let's talk about another one, guys. TikTok. Wow. Short form videos, guys, and you want to get attention very quickly and you want to have videos less than a minute. Sometimes I like to do ones that are like 7 seconds, about a 35, 40-second one, and then one that's a minute or only just over, because it seems to get attention very, very well. That's just my experience that I've found. The problem is, guys, I'll be real, TikTok, it's a bit of a wildlife safari. It's a bit of a zoo, to be honest. It's pretty crazy on there. You're going to get impersonator accounts, scams, you're going to get bots, all these kind of ones. Why am I mentioning TikTok then if it's got all this bad stuff in it? Well, it's just something to be aware of. You want to be aware of the environment that you're in. TikTok, unfortunately, isn't as strong on getting rid of, the fake profiles. So you might find people trying to copy what you're doing online. It's just the way it is there. But on the other hand, it's very good in getting in front of people very, very quickly with short, really powerful videos, and being able to get that connection and build what we call traffic, people that are interested in your online business. And then what I usually do, guys, is that I actually repurpose those videos on TikTok that have done pretty well. And what that means is that I basically put them onto a different social media platforms. I'm not creating brand new content. It helps save time. It's a great way to batch your content, especially if you're doing maybe 2 or maybe even 3 social media platforms for your business. So what I'll do, guys, is that basically I will take that, for example, that short video, like 30-second video, I'll put it onto maybe YouTube, I'll put it onto Facebook as a story. And other ones do pretty well on TikTok, but then they've really done well on YouTube. I've actually gotten over 1,000 views. And I haven't really changed anything. I might have changed 1 or 2 hashtags perhaps, but it's a really powerful way of being able to connect to people that are in your audience, but they're actually on another social media platform without wasting any time creating anything new. Now the goal is, guys, you're not trying to, get sales really on TikTok. You're just trying to create that attention. You're trying to get people interested because there's something that's really going to get those sales for you. And I'll tell you what it is in a moment. You're actually going to attract people who are going to become long-term leads. So these are people who are interested in your business and are actually getting emails from you. They're actually going to get to know you a bit better. And guys, even if you're camera shy, I'm just going to be honest with you, you can actually go faceless. So you don't need to show your face on camera. I like to do it personally. It's just me and my branding. I'm just being honest with you. But a lot of people don't. And they prefer to just get really good at what they write and what they put visually on there that's not their face. And that's a perfect way to go. Why not? Learn how to do that, my friend. And it is a very good way to get attention on TikTok as well. Guys, you'll be shocked how a very simple story style video filmed just on your phone performs when it's real and personal. Now, guys, let's talk about this other one here. This is actually what separates people who are just scrolling around on social media from the people that are like really interested in what you have to say. YouTube. This is kind of where your warm audience lives, guys. I'll just be honest. The people that may have seen your TikToks, have seen your Facebook, or people that are just interested in getting a deeper understanding. They're not there for a very quick video and that. They actually want to sit for a few minutes and actually have a look at what you're up to. And these are videos that can be like 10 minutes or 11 minutes long. They're watching long form videos because they want more. More detail, more proof, and more trust in you and your business. You might be one of them since you're here today, my friend, and we welcome you here. Every single high-ticket sale I've had in my digital products business, it's always come from a few different things. It's usually people have seen a lot of my content, some that have seen my long-form videos, much like this one here today, and some that I've perhaps had a conversation with. They've reached out to me in a message, in a DM, direct message, or it's been in an email and I've replied to them there as well. And that's usually just been one or two things I just want to get some clarity on, and then I've gone ahead and actually purchased some of the programs that I promote. So guys, even if you start small, just say, even on YouTube, just one video a month, even a couple of videos a month, just to get something moving. YouTube's going to help you build that authority. It actually compounds over time the more you do. Now guys, I want to bring up the one thing a lot of people ignore. They get really big on which social media platform do I need to be on? Do I need to be on all of them? Do I need to just be on one? But they forget about what happens next. There's actually a super weapon you've got, my friend, and that is emails. It's not as flashy as social media, of course, but it's the one thing that's actually going to give your business some longevity, okay? Did you know that most people actually check their emails while they're watching TV or while they're in bed, or sometimes even on holiday, and as many as 20 times per day? So it's a must-have in your online business, because the people that are checking your email, they've already opted in, they've already got to know you a bit. So if you're also giving them some information and some help and some options through email, and they're checking it 20 times a day, there's a very good chance they're going to go through all of your social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. They're just traffic sources for getting their interest and building interest in you and your business, okay? But your email list is actually what converts that traffic, but that interest actually converts them from people that, are mildly interested to people that actually bring out their card and buying from you. It's direct access to someone's inbox. You're not competing with any algorithms. You're not competing with someone else's content. There's no competition. And honestly, even if you have a slow month, guys, we've got to be real about online business, okay, or any business. There's always going to be a month or two that's going to be a bit slower than other months. It's just real. A lot of people don't like to talk about it, but I'm going to be real and honest with you, okay? That's what I like to do. Sometimes it happens. So that's when you have an email list that actually helps keep that momentum going, because they're already familiar with you. If they've seen your content, they're already in your emails, they're getting information about you, and there's a good chance they're actually going to buy from you during that time, as long as you're consistent and having those conversations with them. So guys, just want to break that down again for you quickly today. So if you are someone who is interested in learning a bit more about a simple online business that actually uses this free social media and teaches you a bit more than what I've shown you today, how to get started leveraging a done-for-you digital product, I've actually got a training that's going to go into a bit more information about this for you. You can go in and check it out just down below in the description there, or just at the top of my channel. Okay, so we looked at Facebook for connection and conversations. Don't be afraid to send messages to genuine contacts that have accepted a friend request and are interested to know a little bit more about your business, and they've probably seen your content and stories as well. Instagram for cross-posting, automation as well, getting people interested on another platform. TikTok for short videos, getting a lot of interest up front. It's a great place to be, but just be aware of any of those kind of weird scammers and bots and impersonators and stuff. Just be aware of that. Doesn't mean it's not a bad platform to use, but this is just something you've got to be aware of in the environment. YouTube, as I mentioned, great for longer videos, build a bit of trust, build a bit of authority, get to know your business a bit more, get to know you a bit more, and you're going to get higher quality leads and buyers out of it. I'm just being honest with you. An email for your long-term growth and sales, and also helps you out if you have a slow month, or if you're new to this and you're having a bit of trouble with your content and that, but you've actually gotten a few people earlier that have jumped into your emails. Don't forget to contact the people that have opted in, my friend, because that's where your next sale could be. All of these work together, and guys, you don't need any paid advertising for it. You don't need any fancy funnels to use any of this stuff. And you most certainly don't need to be cold calling anyone. As a complete beginner, you don't need any tech skills, no prior experience, no previous social media account, and as I mentioned before, no paid ads needed. This will give you a broad overview of everything you can do in digital marketing. Check it out down below, guys, and reply to the email if you do have any questions. Thanks for watching, guys, but if you want a bit more information on some tools to use in your online business, you just want a clear understanding of them, that can really pair nicely with this video, because you'll now know what social media platforms are available to you. Click on this video right here, check that out. It's going to go through 5 tools that I use in my business, and these are ones that I recommend that you start using in yours, even as a complete beginner. There's actually one there that has got a lifetime free option. Check that out, guys, and I hope it helps you.